Testing.
We now have a touching story of a family searching the world for the gift of life.
7 Action News reporter Andy Choi met the brothers who are trying to help give their mom a chance to live.
I always say live, love, and laugh. And life is too short, so I keep going, deal whatever I can deal.
Sue Jarboe was blessed with 4 gifts, sons who she calls her bodyguards. But she's facing a battle her young men can't fight alone, a kidney disease that will put her on dialysis in the coming weeks.
She has a disease which is called PKD, polycystic kidney disease, which is transferred down from generation to generation. It's a genetic disease which, unfortunately, her children, me and my 3 younger siblings, cannot give her a kidney.
In dire need of a transplant, her oldest son, 21-year-old Brandon, searched for donors, even put out a Twitter message, retweeted 5,000 times.
We've just been trying so hard, and it's just been on an up and down scale.
I'm a tough woman, and I always try to keep forward, and I look. And I always say, everybody knows me, Super Sue.
And even with that positive attitude, Brandon knows his mother's life may be on borrowed time until a donor steps forward.
I'm not going to stop doing whatever I could to get her a kidney. She is our everything. Like I said, she raised all 4 of us. Any B or any O blood type, whether it's a negative or positive, could donate.
I'm really proud of my boys a lot. They're really sweet boys. I wish every mother would have boys like them.
In Southfield, Andy Choi, 7 Action News.
And if you'd like to help the Jarboe family, you'll find their story posted tonight on our homepage at WXYZ.com. You'll find information there on what you can do for the family.
Certainly know that our viewers here at 7 Action News will help out.
Yes.